Listening. Listen and understand. What is she saying about?
I'm fed up with my job. I'm fed up with my job.
I am fed up with my job. What is he saying about?
Full of germs! Full of germs!
Full of germs. What is he saying about?
Because you're interested in interesting things. Because you're interested in interesting things.
Because you are interested in interesting things. Reading. Read and understand. Alex, don't ask me for money. I don't have any. Take my watch. It belongs to me. It is expensive. What happened to you? Brian, it is nice of you to help me. You are always kind to me. I am in a difficult situation. Sorry about disturbing you. Thank you very much. Answer these questions. 1. Does Alex have any money? 2. What does belong to mean? 3. What happened to Brian? 4. What does disturb mean? Answer these questions. 1. Does Alex have any money? 2. What does belong to mean? 3. What happened to Brian? 4. What does disturb mean? Answers. 1. No, he doesn't. 2. Belong to means that someone owns something. 3. He is in a difficult situation. 4. Disturb means to cause someone to feel troubled or upset. Writing. Complete the sentences. I am not very good at telling stories. I wanted to go to the movies, but Emily wasn't interested in going. Let's go. I'm fed up with waiting. I'm sorry about waking you up in the middle of the night. Speaking. Do you listen to music every day? Do you talk to your mother about any problems? Do you take care of your parents? Keep it up.